Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood investment account, secure access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.robinhood.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Robinhood homepage. On the homepage, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to start the login process. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, type in your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, paying attention to case sensitivity. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check for a prompt to enter your verification code. This code will typically be sent to your registered mobile number or email. Once you've entered the code, proceed by clicking the login button. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you encounter any issues, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if needed. For additional security, it's recommended to enable two-factor authentication. After logging in, take a moment to review your account settings. Ensure that your personal information and security settings are up to date. You are now successfully logged into your Robinhood investment account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.